Invincible. This futures live stream event is proudly brought to you by MightyOxTrading. All information contained herein should be considered for educational and entertainment purposes only. Nothing seen or heard should be considered financial advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Monday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Let's see what the markets have done overnight. Hey, Ghost, how you doing? Oh, we dipped and then came back up. Looks like ES 56.65 half up to 56.94. So let's see, it's 65.90, almost 30 points in range. Wow, didn't look like that, but wow, yeah, okay. Low on NQ 508, high 652. It's almost 150 points there. Kappa, about 120 ticks there. Gold rising up about 20 points there. Ultravon dipping dots. Almost a full, over a full point range there. Crude oil, about a point range. Natural gas falling. Bitcoin's been having a good weekend. Rose up from the 57.58 area up to 62.5. That's a nice trade there, Ghost. How much did you get out of it? And now we're falling here. It's been nice to catch. Wow, down to 600. Should have been paying attention 5 minutes ago. Darn it. Now, TradeDay's been having issues this morning from what I've been seeing. So I'm going to try taking a trade when the time comes. And if it actually, you know what, I should probably just take a trade on 1 micro and see if it's working. That's probably a good idea. Which is what we're going to do. Haven't got a clue what we're going to do. Just throw our micros in the air. Well, it seems like it's working. I'll let the trade play out. Is this a test? TradeDay was having some issues on multiple prop firms earlier today. I wanted to make sure it's working, so decided to just test it with a micro. I figure instead of closing it out, I'm also just let the trade play out for the whole $10 it's going to give me, if it works. Something about freezing up and stuff. I'm not sure. I know like Apex actually flattened everybody that was on TradeDay to get them out of trade. So Second blue candle forming on the 1 minute. Struggling to get through the 9 on the 1. Now also in with a mini. So in with 1 mini, 1 micro. Mini may not work. Tight stop on it. Kind of aiming for that EMA maybe. It's only 3 points. Let's see. There's the EMA. Breaks. Boom. Take the off there. Good start to the morning for both trades. So on the mini we got 6 3/4 points, and on the micro we got 11 and 11 1/4 points. So that's a good start to the week. And everything appears to be working fine. Good morning, Juan. How are you? Hey, Chris. How you doing? I think I got out about the right time. It's kind of gotten stagnant there. It might continue to rise up, but we'll see. So let's move this to a 5-minute chart. There we go. Move that back over so we can watch our 5. Hey, JJR. Thank you. You're here a bit earlier this morning than you normally are, JJ, huh? Still trying to rise up. Got up to that 100 EMA. And above it. A nice little recovery here. News this morning. Do we have any news? I forgot to look. Canadian wholesale sales. New York Fed manufacturing. And Canadian manufacturing. So not a whole lot of high impact news. All of that comes out in a little over 15 minutes. That's a slow grind up here. Could have got like 15 points off that trade, but that's okay. Hey, blue candle there. It's Monday with very little news, so I expect choppy, but right now we're really not seeing choppy. We're actually seeing decent moves. No, that's probably not a good thing. One for one so far in the morning. I now have 3 funded top steps, 1 funded apex. Goal for the rest of the month is get the other 2 top steps to funded and get this MyFundedFutures to funded. That'll give me 7 funded accounts. And then we're just going to stop trading evals and we're going to start trading funded accounts. Morning, Speed Racer. How you doing? Now, 2 of those 3 top step fundeds are in the red. So that's also a goal, is to get them back to break even by the end of the month. At least break even. My apex was in the red, but on Friday I made a couple of nice gold trades and it's now in the green by 183 bucks. So we'll start moving forward in that as well. Only if you're live, Brad. That's the monthly CME data fees. Yeah. If there is, they ain't doing it through my link. I haven't had a sale there in a week. Sideways action now. Gold coming down. Crude dipping a bit. Dow's coming up. Nice job. Very nice job. Right now we're not doing anything I like. I don't like it. I don't love it. I don't want some more of it. Oh, purple candle there on gold. I'm curious. Let's see where that goes. That'll be a signal for me on the 5-minute. It's big though, so just gonna watch it and see what it does. I want to start observing a few other assets this week on a 5-minute chart. So I don't want to rely on the NQ on the 1 minute for every, if I get all those funded accounts, like I said, I don't want to rely on just an NQ, V100% NQ. We're dipping here now. So, looking at this, nice purple candle here touched the band, and you can see 30 down to 21. This would have worked. It was iffy for me there, but it would have worked. And it would have made me sweat in this chop, but it would have worked. Our only news of the day coming up in a couple of minutes. Morning, Crypticon. How you been, my friend? I see you survived the weather last night. Small news: Empire State Manufacturing and a couple of Canadian things. I don't expect it to do much. Huh. I slobbered on myself. Morning, John. How are you today? Lost 2-3 to Oakland of all teams, so yeah, not a really good weekend. But I see you had a good weekend. I'm gonna watch the home run derby tonight, and I'm gonna watch the All-Star game tomorrow. Wait, which? Oh, not sketchy. They're just doing some things I don't like. They're fine, as in, or will they pay? Yeah, but they're just they're the guy needs to learn some. I don't know. Anytime someone says anything that can be taken in the least bit as critical, he bans them from the Discord. Yeah, how they talk to people. Yesterday, the CEO announced that. Well, first of all, he started a political discussion and then told everyone that he will ban any supporters of a certain candidate. And that's just not how you run a business. We all have political um, uh, leanings. By the way, you can see the news didn't matter, but you can't run a business by banning potentially half your customers. Um, I've seen people get banned for very little stuff. I haven't seen it recently, but back when they were first getting started, they were openly posting porn on their Discord. Um, the way they talk to customers just on actual issues I've seen is bad. So that's what gives me pause about Fast Track. I like the concept, I really do, but he's got to learn that this is a business now, not a hobby. But yeah, if something was actually sketchy, like as in I thought they weren't going to pay or something like that, they would not be promoted. Yeah, that's not their fault though. I mean, I think they expected things by now. I think Ninja's dragging their feet because I know Funded Futures Family, which is another prop firm that's launching, they were supposed to launch with TradeDay or Ninja, and now they've delayed their launch 2 weeks. Supposedly it's because the owner's wife is having a baby, but I can't see how they didn't see that one coming originally around this time. So I'm thinking it might be the Trade of 8 Ninja Trader issue. Sideways here. That news did nothing, as you can see. We popped 5 points. Woohoo! A nice little dip here. All right, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I'd appreciate if you hit that quarter that like button. Let everyone know you enjoy it. What did gold do? Yeah, see, that would have been a good take there on gold. I should have grabbed it. Shooting down a bit. I should have taken that purple. I was considering it. You can see it would have worked. Nice fall. Nice fall. So what are you trading right now, Crypt? What account? John DeFore, are you happy with the Tigers draft pick? Phillies weird. This weird first rounder. The guy, he's a high schooler that's almost 20 years old. 19 years, 9 months, and but I guess he was the best high school prospect in Michigan. We had number 27, and he was ranked 46 on MLB's rankings. Uh, yeah, don't understand the pick, honestly. One sec. Dante Nori, Nori, last name. Northville High School, Michigan. Still falling. It's just weird when a high school kid is almost 20 years old when drafted. Tools the outfielder. They say he has 60 to 70 speed. Took a long here. Wasn't a blue candle, but I have a feeling. Sniffs the 9. Taking it off there. I got only 2.5 points, but I don't know. Sometimes they stumble with the 9. Good trade though. Yeah. He runs a 6.15 60-yard dash. Averages 96 on the exit velo. So we're 2 for 2 on trades this morning. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's just the age gets me. Usually they're like early 18 versus almost 20. It's almost like They picked a guy out of junior college, you know. Looks like I was right to take it off there. It's struggling. I mean, got another blue candle there. It's probably gonna pop, but wasn't worth the stress to keep it on. We're up $200 on the morning. 2 for 2. Gold's trying to pop up over there. Great job, John. It's moving well for a Monday. You know, it's giving decent moves up and down. There are about 40 minutes until the bell. It's trying to pop back up, so you can see. Glad I made that decision to come down now, to get out of that trade. Now, where my stop was originally, it did not come back down to, but still, this has been giving me a little bit of heartburn. Yeah, that's a good point. I know. I know. There's a. You can see this is moving, or it was. Yeah, this shot up at the open at the 4 a.m. when trading starts again. Shot up $22. The Trump media. Blue candle after that long wick, small body red candle. Watching this here. Still below the 9, so it's iffy. 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 Now it's kind of got me interested. I don't know. I hate them when they're right on the 9. I hate them, hate them, hate them, hate them. You can see it's going. Now it's sniffing the 20. Took another Topstep X Eval. Yep, coming back down off that 20. Yeah, TradeDay is down for Apex, JJR. Sorry, I forgot you're on the TradeDay feed. Or I would have mentioned that earlier. Hey, Young, yeah. Yeah, announcement, Apex TradeDay feed is offline at this time. There was some issues overnight, and they took it down. Other programs had issues as well, but they're back up, so I don't know why Apex isn't back up. I've been successfully executing trades on MyFundedFutures this morning. I did notice a freeze up before the stream, about half an hour before the stream started on MyFundedFutures, but it's been fine for me in the 2 trades I've taken. So I don't know what Apex is doing. Everyone else seems fine. They're definitely having growing pains in a lot of areas right now. I want to say I have trust in them to get through these growing pains, but they really need to start, like, you know, moving forward, because it's been a couple months with multiple issues of various areas. Comes back down. Trying to turn around here. Is it going to hit back up? We are just about at the top of the hour, hanging right around 2600. 20600, not 2600. That'd be a huge drop. Not sure NQ's ever been at 2600. Might have been. Let's look, because, we're bored. Oh yeah, there we go. 2008, NQ 2600. There's the top of the hour. 30 minutes till the bell. What the heck just happened? Go away. Okay, still stagnant here. Blue candle would have worked. Thought about taking that. But for now, we're good. Rising up nicely. Probably going to try and get back up to that 100 EMA up there, which is at 618. It's funny. I mean, you can see it kept trying. We came down, this nice move down, came up, it bounced off the 9. Came down, came up, bounced off the 20. Came down, now it's got through both of those. It's going to try and get up to 900. Hey, Sid. How you doing? Nice. What were you doing in Tennessee? Picking up animals? Buying animals? Watching a country music concert? Something's going on, guys. Hold on a minute. Kiko Goat Auction. I would have never known goat auctions existed. Hey, David. Guys, hold on a minute. I'm not watching this screen right now. I'm dealing with something else in the prop firm world. Give me a few. Nice rise up. 25%. So there was 13, 36, 52 goats or so. Pull back there. So look, remember I said it looks like it wanted to get up to the 100 EMA? Look at that. Touched it to the perfect tick and then drops. Good morning, Merle. Guys, hold on a minute. Sorry, guys. I have something going on here. Not thing to do with me, but something with the prop firm world that I may or may not be expressing here in a minute. Okay, nice move down. Give me a few here. Trying to digest some stuff. Okay, guys. Blue Sky. Breaking news here. Looks like some upheaval with Blue Sky. Mike Cowboy, who everybody call him, the CEO, posted we had a few employees quit and left, and whatever, he's insulting them, and it's not the way a CEO should act. But anyway, it appears by scrolling up, it looks like Josh and Raj have left the company because their names are now in white and they're no longer on the server. So be advised of that. Hey, David. So yeah, that just apparently happened. That I don't know what to say to that. The only reason I originally considered Blue Sky is because of Josh. I'm not enamored with their CEO, but we'll see how it plays out. I may need to find a new banner for the top. I don't know. Cowboy Mike. It's he's a former prop trader that started to start a prop firm. No, I'm not joking. Yes. No RJ yet. Hi Ace, how was your weekend? Yep, that's his. That's the guy that started the company. Yes, he hired Josh a month or two into it, and I wouldn't touch it until I heard from Josh. So yeah, rising up here. missing a couple trades. Yeah, I would say that's not normal. So yeah, I'm not sure what is going on, but just another, just another adventurous day in the prop world. Pulling down. So continue to watch. My weekend was all right. Normal weekend. The exception of watching the Phillies get absolutely dismantled by one of the worst teams in major leagues. No, I mean Speed Racer. Did you everything should be status quo? Did you uh not redeem the code yet? Yeah, they lost 18-3. Still rising back up to 617. Okay, you should be fine. Absolutely fine, Speed Racer. Yes, Chris. Apex TradeDay is down, or as of the last I heard, it's down. I have not heard any problems with Apex Rhythmic, but it's Apex. So uh, I had a feeling you might regret not going Ace. Yeah, TradeDay is they haven't shut off. There was some sort of issue overnight, and they shut off trading. Yeah, me too. So I'm 2 for 2 this morning, just under $200 on the day. Got major goings on in the prop firm world that I'm going to have to try and follow up on later on. Oh, whoosh. That was a nice whoosh. I didn't realize we're almost at the bell. See, that's what happens when I get distracted. Just the blue sky stuff. I'm not sure what's going on there. I mean, there's blue sky stuff. There's Apex FUD. There's some things going on with Fast Track. There's a lot going on, really. I don't know. All I know is that Mike, the CEO, posted that multiple people have left, and that Josh and Raj, their names are in white and they're no longer on the server, so it appears they're the ones that left. But I don't have any other details besides that. Yeah. Well, I mean, you can say staff, but Josh ran that company. Josh put in all the tech. Josh was the one making the decisions. Yeah, exactly. Which is why I'm probably not going to have that banner up there after today until at least until I find out what's going on, because I don't know. You know. Anyway, for now, let's focus on the bell. 30 seconds away. Yeah, oh yeah, you know I always do. You have evals or you have funded? Okay. I would say don't waste the money you spend on the evals. Still try to pass. I don't think they're gonna like screw you over or anything. I don't think it's gonna go that bad. So don't just blow your evals just because of the change. Still try to pass them. Rising up. Ooh, that was a nice wick down, back up. Excuse me. Just watching what we're doing here. Right, Yes. I'm pulling back down. Okay, sorry guys, I'm back. Ooh, big blue candle, back up to 630. Thank you all for hanging in with me today with the prop firm distractions and others. 635. What's our high day? I forget. Not far away. 652. Not liking this price action though. Back down. Yucky, yucky, yuck. Yeah, ES is doing much better at price action today than NQ is. Nice. Nice, both of you. Still kind of stagnant here. Nice pullback on ES. Rising up. I didn't trust that blue candle because we were choppy. It would have worked, but yeah. Look at crude falling. Harsh fall on crude. Wow. Hi, Matt, if you're still here. Josh just posted on my Discord. I'm here. The core team, including myself, has quit. We tried to offer him a really long transition period, but apparently he's not interested. Can't really say anything else at the moment, as you could imagine. Yeah. Josh and his team have left Blue Sky, Hassan. Still rising up. I missed this move because I didn't trust that blue candle, but you can see the nice move up. He's already gone. Josh, Raj, I'm not sure if who else is gone. I just noticed that they're not on the server anymore, on the Blue Sky server. I don't know why. Like I said, Josh just posted on my Discord. The core team, including myself, has quit. We tried to offer a really long transition period, but apparently he's not interested. Josh was Blue Sky. Hey, Moxie, how you doing? So there's 666, which, by the way, is a new high of the day. Our high from Friday was 741. ES also at high day is rising up nicely. What about Mike Crift? Mike is Cowboy, yeah. Cowboy Mike, whatever you want to call him. And coming back down. What would make you say that, Hassan? Ooh, whoosh. Look at this whoosh. Whoosh. Big whoosh. Bottom just dropped out. Down 44 points on this candle. I've missed several trades trying to figure out the drama going on. But yeah, I'm not sure why the bottom just dropped out. Down we come. Bounces there. I don't know. This is how I'll put it. Obviously, we have to wait and see. But when Blue Sky first started, I wanted nothing to do with it because I had my challenges with Cowboy. Nothing against him. I don't mind. I don't have anything personal against him. but I wasn't sure of the quality of the firm. It was only when Josh came on and contacted me and said, whatever, that I decided to jump in with Blue Sky. So I'm long here. I'm tangled up in these EMAs. Boom, 20-point win. 615 to 635. Yeah. Yeah, and that's why that was totally the whole message was totally unprofessional from Mike. Thank you, Sid. So on the day now, we are up 593.72. 3 for 3, even with distracted trading. I mean, when Blue Sky first launched, you know, the website didn't even have which assets you're allowed to trade. Um, when people asked, Cowboy showed a screenshot of two pieces of paper. Not a screenshot, a camera. He took a picture of pieces of paper on his desk. So, I mean, we'll have to see who. Someone's gonna need to replace Josh, because Cowboy, has his trading gig basically. I didn't know about them leaving. I don't know what the deal is. And I'm not going to prod Josh because I mean, there's obviously going to be, you know, reasons he can't say much. I'm sure. As any information comes out, I that you know that is relevant, I will definitely let people know. I gotta monitor this. I mean, I had called Blue Sky my number one firm, and now I gotta. I don't know what to say, honestly. The the Blue Sky uh, Discord server has the most drama I've ever seen. Rising up. Ace, how you doing? Did you just take that one trade, or did you go back in for anything? So my thoughts are anyone that's in an Apex account, Eval or funded, I don't think I mean you should, in my opinion, continue trading it. Um, there's no reason to waste the money or waste, whatever. I don't see any problems with that stuff. If you don't have a blue sky eval right now, then mm, eh, I don't know what to say. You know, the company's not going to go down in flames, but another blue candle that I could have taken. I don't know. They look like twins almost. It would have worked for me, but it's a little bit. It's kind of hitting that same area. Got up to 630, 640 here. Just got 638, 639. Let's see if it breaks through. Nice. So your greens must be bigger than your reds. All tense over here. Huh. Where's my gold chart? Ooh, big move there on gold. Crude's bouncing a bit. Dow's still going. Uh-oh. My trade of 8 just froze. It looks like, yep, trade of 8. Anyone who's trading on trade of 8, stop. Appears to be having another issue. It just came back. That doesn't give me the warm and fuzzies though. David, is your TradeDay back as well? I may switch to Topstep X though. Oh, okay. I'm just looking at a DOM because I chart off a trading view, so I had the DOM up for order entry because it's just a smaller footprint on my screen. Morning, G-Man. Choppy here a bit. Struggling to get above that 640 level. It's top of the hour. Got an hour to go on the stream. There will be no Monday evening stream tonight, for I am watching the Home Run Derby. On what grounds are you going to ask for the reset? Well, I mean, I will say putting it in public and not just doing it kind of like hurts your case. Another blue candle would have worked there, but again, these were like all. Ugh. Oh, I'm not gonna snitch. But saying that there was an issue at 7-Eleven, like you got the wrong flavored Slurpee, isn't gonna work. Uh, I don't do anything that causes Josh any problems. Okay, we are 646 on NQ. Ooh, I missed a nice trade on the mid caps. Yeah, the Dow looks happy this morning. Still rising up. So finally broke through. High of the day, 666. He doesn't have real money, Ace. You want to loan him some? Yeah, so you could trade one micro for 20 years and make 50 bucks. Yeah, makes sense. I think it's going to come down. Wait, that's lifetime free? Is that the one you won for me? I didn't realize that was lifetime. Wow. Yeah, I probably forgot. I slept last night, so I tend to forget things. I guess that last giveaway will be the last giveaway. I missed that trade. I was gonna go into it on MyFundedFutures and decided to do Topstep. By the time I tapped my Topstep chart, I missed it. Ace. Uh, Burl, it's your podcast. You're kind of in charge of all that. You know that I'm almost always available, and unless CFT's traveling, he's available. The only one I'm not sure about is For Money. So it's based on your availability. Okay, so Ace, here's the thing: if he had put that money into a regular account, he would just if he's blowing profit counts, he's going to blow a regular account. Still rising up. I mean, a profit count will allow you to trade $3,000 in drawdown for at sometimes for $50. That's a good way to practice instead of throwing $500 into a real account and trading small enough size that the emotions aren't going to be there. I just took a really bad trade. Bounce on the 9 EMA there. Chase got quiet. Are you done trading, Chase? Or are you still looking? If Sid ever starts a podcast or whatever, he should call it Chasing Trades. bounces on me. So Ace, are you saying he should just quit? There's Sid. He was ready with that number. Yeah, that's because people feel sorry for little kids. Who can turn down one of those little cherub faces saying, "Will you buy lemonade so I can get a toy?" I'm almost ready to start a political discussion here, guys. Can we drop it? Excellent, John. Excellent. Struggling to get through this 20 EMA, not 100, 20. Bounces on it again. Took a short on Topstep. I only ended up with 3 points. Just doesn't want to seem to break this 20 EMA. It's probably going to burst now, but it's okay. Just trying to hold that 650. Popping back up after that bounce. Did you get in there, Hassan? Yeah, it looks like you did. Yep, exactly. I mean, without prop firms, I wouldn't be here in two different ways. Prop firms have allowed me to stay in the game and continue trading, and prop firms on being on the affiliate side has helped me with my financial situation. So for me, prop firms are a great opportunity. Slowly grinding back up, but struggling to get about 678 area. There we go. There's a break up to 681. So we're up $41 on Topstep. We're up almost $600 on MyFundedFutures. That looks like a short, but I'm not going to grab it just yet. And it's a good thing I didn't. Wow, look at that bounce. And down. I was right. Wow, that was quick. So I would say it looked like a short there. I was right. One day I'll actually, and bounced right back up. So I was right and wrongs. I don't know. Either way. Sitting here, sitting on the 9 EMA, watching candles form away. Whoosh. What a whoosh. Kind of a whoosh. Up to 687. Well, Q claims 700. Remember the high from Friday was 741. All-time high sitting at 983. $7.24. I think we're going to get another pullback, but 'ooh, maybe it won't do another pullback. Ho, ho, ho. Up to 695. There's 700 to the tick. Oh, 701. 707. Well, maybe it's not going to give you a pullback first to sun. I don't know. Getting a little bit. Looking a little bit like it wants to kind of stop here. Yeah, look at that candle. Purple. Yes, it will. I'm short on Topstep. Ooh, that's popping right back up though. Yep, looks like that was a one candle down and right back up. Stop me out. Dang. Now we're right on Topstep, which is fine. No, but you can't use NT with Topstep's trade of 8. We're hanging here. Right a little bit above 700. 25 minutes left to go in the stream. On the stream. Islands in this. Oh, sorry. Sage is a lot of bluster, but I don't mind the guy, honestly. I've gotten him. I respect him. He doesn't. I don't like the crap talk, but like I trust him. It's kind of like I'm not sure I'll be as hungo on MMFU if it was Matt Leach totally running the show, but Sage gives me like I think he's a good guy overall. I think I don't like the way he does certain things, you know that, but overall I've come to like the guy. Now it's one live, unless you can tell them a reason why you might want 3 lives, such as different strategies, different assets, etc. on each one. I guess they're really not wanting the coffee trade lives, is from what I'm understanding. This is just the bits and pieces I've been getting. Okay. Uh, he's promised me an interview, either him or Matt. when we talked last week. So, there's a possibility maybe I can get to the bottom of some of this stuff. Got it. Looking at it, son. That's interesting. Something may have changed. We'll try and find out as we still head up here to 7:15. I mm, yeah, I mean that's what you just said there in Assad. Yeah, I'm responding to you, but is exactly what my understanding was. I'm pretty sure the mod is wrong there, but we'll try and figure it out. Maybe I'll tag Sage. Do you mind if I use that screenshot and tag Sage on my server? Okay, I'll do it after the stream. Coming back down, so we hit a high there of 717. Back down to 700. Still rising. I see NQ rising. Pulls down, blue candle. Eh. So what a day on the prop firm world. Purple candle. That blue candle kind of fizzled. Fizzling blue. Sitting right on that 9 EMA. Will it break it or bounce it? Bounces. I think he was ready to go for a run because it was getting hot. It's hot in here. Take off all your trades. Thought I was going to say something else there, didn't you? I know. I'll page him. Ace Trades. Ace Trades. Are you still here? Chase. So Chase is asking for you. Ace Trades, line 1. He is there. There you go, Sid. Listen while you run. Listen while you run. Last time I think you were listening while you were running and also trying to type. I think you accidentally banned somebody. I say I think the last time you were trying to run and also type in chat, I think you accidentally banned somebody. An ad played. They shouldn't be showing ads in the middle of my stream. I don't have mid rolls on. Just hanging right on this 20, right on the 9, between the 9 and the 20. Sure, red meat's very healthy for you. It's the carbs. Rising up, trying to get to the 724 Hassan's been yelling for. There it is. 727. 730. I've only had one stake in the last 15 years, and that was the mysterious one that got delivered to my door a couple weeks ago. About 7 minutes left in the stream. I suspected who it was, or who it is, I should say. And I appreciate it very much. Yeah, I don't think CFT has my address. Struggling here at 7:30. Yep, that ain't far from here. Bloomington normal, or as the locals call it, Blono. Sounds good, Sid. And rejects again off that same level. We're just about the end of the stream. Do want to thank everyone for joining me today. I hope everyone's had a great day. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Remember, no evening stream tonight. I'll be watching the MLB Home Run Derby. We'll be back tomorrow, 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Finishing the day up nearly $600 on MyFundedFutures. We are down on the Topstep account, but we'll work on that. Have a great rest of your day, everybody. Bye. Hope you enjoyed today's live stream. Remember, we do this every day, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Hope you'll continue to join us. Also want to invite you to join our Discord community. Great community of traders talking trading, and sometimes just shooting the breeze about other things as well. Traders helping traders and encouraging traders there. Also, of course, follow me on social media, mainly on Twitter or at X, where you'll always find updates on the latest prop firm discounts and reviews, as well as get notified whenever a new video comes out from MightyOxTrading. Have a great rest of your day.